Direct Motion's machining center line is the most modern and user-friendly CNC on the market, with built-in CAD CAM CMM and CNC right on the machine. Machining center mechanical design has been refined for decades, which means machining center OEMs all produce very similar base machines. You as the customer just have to decide on the machine's size, horsepower, and configuration. The biggest difference between machines is the control. This is where DM leads the industry. DM brings conventional machining center design into the 21st century with modern software that runs on modern PC hardware and the latest in CAD CAM, CMM, and CNC technology built right into the machine. This drives an increase in productivity whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or CNC expert. Our built-in high-resolution 39-inch touch monitor is a key part of interacting with the machine by giving you plenty of screen space to interact with the machine how you want to. In today's modern world, it's all about how much information can be displayed at once, and only large high-resolution monitors can provide this. Unlike fixed button operator panels, our screen layout can be customized to show what the operator wants to see. Gone are the days of trying to remember cryptic keystrokes and codes in order to make the machine perform the way you want it to. Our Windows software imports step files or allows the user to create a 3D part. Then you apply the toolpaths to the CAD all right on the machine in one piece of software. That's right, bring your 3D CAD files right into the machine. Let's show how to make a simple program from scratch. Start by making a 2D sketch and programming some 2D geometry. Let's add 2 circles. We can then move around the XY center locations and diameters of each circle independently. Then we'll connect them with 2 tangent lines and trim the inside. So now we have a single closed shape. We can then put a variety of toolpaths directly on this 2D geometry. Let's add a high-speed machining pocket routine. Change a step over to 100 thou, select the material type and the geometry. Looks good so far. Let's enter -1 for a depth. Then press cycle start and the machine will cut this toolpath. Now we'll extend this into 3D with multiple Z levels. Here's a more complicated 2D sketch. We'll perform an extrude operation and extrude down to 1 inch. Then we'll extrude remove this inside lightning shape to a depth between 0 and 1/4 inch. Then the other side between 3/4 and 1 inch. This will leave 1/2 inch of solid material and you can see the multiple Z levels on both sides of the part. Then we can add a high-speed pocketing routine the same way we did on the 2D sketch. And don't let the automatic tool changer scare you. It's easy to operate. Just manually load any tool into the spindle like this drill chuck. Then select the tool number and press Load Tool into ATC. The machine will then put the drill chuck away in the selected pocket. Anytime you want to use the drill, just select it from the list and press Set Active or run a program that uses the drill. Here I'll tell it to set active the center drill that I had previously loaded. And large tools like this 10-inch surfacer can be specified as a fixed pocket tool, which means they will always go back to the same pocket in the ATC drum. Once the tools are loaded up and lengths are set, the program will change tools automatically as shown in this drill and tap program. High torque cutting works great as shown here with this 10-inch surfacing tool. We're taking a full 1/4 inch depth cut in steel, which removes a lot of material quickly. Our Probe Auto Center feature allows the operator to find 0 and measure parts with the probe. For instance, to find the center of a hole, just move the probe inside of the hole and press Probe Auto Center. Make sure the inside diameter option is selected, then press Go. The probe will touch the 4 sides of the hole and then move to the true center that it found. Then the operator can decide what to do with that location. For instance, you can zero the machine there, or you can record that point into your program, or use the displayed coordinates from your readout however you'd like. For this application, we had to make a mating plate to attach to this part. This requires 10 tapped holes and 4 access pockets. Since we did not have a blueprint, we used the probe to find the hole centers and the access pocket shape. Then created a program and cut it all right on the machine. And here's our finished part. It came out beautiful. The probing ability doesn't end there. You can start probing a 2D profile in a matter of seconds. Just insert a probe profile command and place the probe to the left of the part. Then press cycle start and the machine will digitize points 360 degrees around the perimeter of your part. A part this size will take just a few minutes. Once the profile is probed, it is stored in a 2D sketch. From here you can use this sketch the same way as any other 2D sketch. Let's do a quick offset and extrude this to get a 3D housing. DM has invested in modern internet support systems. Our entire training library is online in streaming video format and accessible from the machine in the help menu or the dmtube.com website for desktop access. Our videos cover every aspect of programming and operating your machine. A DM tech can log in remotely using industry standard LogMeIn software and in a matter of seconds operate every aspect of the machine as if he were right in front of your machine. That's right, no more trying to explain and understand what is on your screen or where to click next. We can do it for you. Technology is amazing, and our Windows-based control allows DM customers to benefit from these advantages in technology. Every machine comes with a username and password to log into your dmerp.com account. Here you can view the entire history of your machine, from access temperatures to auto cycle runtimes and much more. Our model numbers indicate the machine's XYZ travel. For instance, our $75,000 base price VMC 855 means it has 800 by 500 by 500 millimeters of XYZ travel. We have smaller and larger machines in our product line. Go to directmotion.com to browse our machine options and pricing. We also have an instant online leasing system, so get pre-approved today.